Good morning, my dear students. We will revise today the next lesson, lesson 21. The adjective, degrees of comparison. So let's read the lesson and learn about it. Alright? Open your book. The adjective, degrees of comparison. Look at the book. Read the following sentences. First number, Raju is a short boy. Second number, Anjali is shorter than Raju. Number 3, Shashi is the shortest of the three. The adjectives in bold type change in form to show comparison. The three forms, short, shorter, shortest, are called the 3 degrees of comparison. So here, short, shorter and shortest are called the 3 degrees of comparison. Understood? Alright. The simple form of the adjective is called the positive degree. So the simple form of the adjective is called positive degree. Example, short. Next, the adjective shorter is said to be in the comparative degree. The adjective shortest is said to be in the superlative degree. Did you understand? Okay? The simple form of adjective is called the positive degree. That we have seen the example, short. And the next is that the adjective shorter is said to be in comparative degree, and the adjective shortest is said to be in the superlative degree. Understood? Okay. Next, study the following sentences. First number, Hitesh is a smart boy. This is given in positive degree. Second number, Rohan is smarter than Hitesh. Given in comparative degree. Number 3, Sumesh is the smartest of all the boys. It is given in superlative degree. Understood? Okay, next. Remember, what we have to remember is that first number, the positive degree does not refer to any comparison. So you have to keep in mind, okay? Positive degree does not refer to any comparison. Second number, the comparative degree is used when two things or persons are compared. So the this comparative degree is used when two things or persons are compared. Okay. Next, number 3. The superlative degree is used when more than two persons or things are compared. So, superlative degree is used when more than two things or persons are compared. Next, number 4. Use article the before superlative degree. So, article the is used before superlative degree. Next, formation of comparative and superlative degrees. How to form comparative and superlative degrees. Let's learn. Study carefully how adjectives form the comparative and the superlative degrees. First number, the following degrees form the comparative by adding ER and the superlative by adding EST to the positive. Let's see. Positive, comparative and superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Great, greater, greatest. Tall, taller, tallest. Next, many adjectives of 2 syllables and the adjectives of more than 2 syllables take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. So many adjectives of 2 syllables and all adjectives of more than 2 syllables take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative degree. Okay, let's say positive, comparative and superlative. Courageous. In comparative degree, more courageous, and in superlative degree, most courageous. Next, faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Important, more important, most important. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Next, number 6, the following adjectives are compared irregularly: positive, comparative and superlative. Look at the book. Good, well. Better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little less, least. Late, later, later. Latest, last. Much, many, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Study the use of degrees of comparison. Example, first number, Reena is a beautiful girl. Second number, Rosie is more beautiful than Reena. Given in comparative degree. Number 3, Anu is the most beautiful of all the girls. It is given in superlative degree. Got it? Alright. So now let's do the exercise. Exercise 1. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. So we have to write the comparative and the superlative degrees. First number, bold. So write the comparative degree, bolder. Then superlative degree, boldest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Second number, busy. Busy, busier, busiest. Number 3, bright. Bright, brighter, brightest. Number 4, sweet. Sweeter, sweetest. Number 5, far. Farther, farthest. Number 6, urgent. More urgent, most urgent. Number 7, high, higher, highest. Number 8, sad. Sadder, saddest. Number 9, cheap. Cheaper, cheapest. Number 10, big. Bigger, biggest. Number 11, pretty. Prettier, prettiest. Number 12, active. More active, most active. Number 13, easy. Easier, easiest. Number 14, much, more, most. Number 15, true. Truer, truest. Number 16, red. Redder, reddest. Number 17, deep. Deeper, deepest. Number 18, young. Younger, youngest. Number 19, fat. Fatter, fattest. Number 20, beautiful. More beautiful, beautiful. Number 21, white. Whiter, whitest. Number 22, little, less, least. Number 23, poor, poorer, poorest. Number 24, few, fewer, fewest. Number 25, able, abler, ablest. Number 26, wet, wetter, wettest. Number 27, bad, bad, worse, worst. Number 28, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Number 29, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Number 30, large, larger, largest. Have you done it? Okay. Now turn the page. Positive, comparative and superlative. Let's read. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Second number. If the positive degree ends in E, only R and ST are added to form the comparative and the superlative degree. So, if the positive degree ends in E only, then R and ST are added to form comparative and superlative degree. Alright? Let's see. Positive, comparative and superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Next, number 3. If the positive degree ends in Y and the Y is preceded by a consonant, then Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. But if the Y is preceded by a vowel, then Y is not changed into I. Okay? Let's read positive, comparative and superlative degree. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Next, number 4. If the positive degree has only one syllable and ends in one consonant and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. Okay? So let's read this also. Positive, comparative and superlative. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So did you understand? Alright. So we will stop the class here. We will be continuing the same lesson in next class. Okay. Revise and come. See you in next class. Thank you.